Are you new to La Liga or looking for a new team to support? Or you're looking for a rundown on all the 20 teams this season competing for the top prize in Spanish football? Then, bienvenido a La Liga Vic. Estoy Vic, and in today's video, we're diving into the world of Spanish football to help you find the perfect team to support by providing you with key information, interesting facts, and reasons why you might want to support any of the 20 teams in La Liga this season. Vamos! Athletic Club. Athletic Club, founded in 1898, is one of the oldest and most storied clubs in La Liga. Based in Bilbao, they play their home matches at the iconic San Mamés Stadium, which has a capacity of 53,300. Athletic Bilbao is one of the most successful clubs in Spanish football, having won 8 La Liga titles and 24 Copa del Rey titles. They are also one of the only 3 clubs in Spanish football history to have never been relegated. Can you guess the other 2? Athletic Bilbao's main rivals are Real Sociedad, with whom they contest the extremely heated Basque derby. Athletic Club has a very unique identity that sets it apart from every other team in the league. It only signs players who are either born in the Basque country or trained in its football academies. They finished 6th in La Liga in the 23-24 season and won the Copa del Rey last season. Atletico de Madrid. Atletico Madrid was founded in 1903 by a group of Basque students living in Madrid who were dissatisfied with the playing style of Madrid FC, which later became Real Madrid. They created a Madrid-based subsidiary of Athletic Bilbao, which evolved into Atletico Madrid. Now, Atletico de Madrid is one of Spain's most successful and popular clubs and plays its home games at the modern Metropolitano Stadium. Atletico is renowned for its strong defensive play and resilient spirit, often embodied by their manager Diego Simeone. Despite earning a defensive team reputation, some of the greatest strikers of this generation have played at this club, such as Sergio Aguero, Fernando Torres, David Villa, and Luis Suarez. Atletico Madrid and Real Madrid have one of the most intense rivalries in football, known as the Madrid derby, which is often very heated and results in a lot of controversies. Atleti have been the only team to break the dominance of Barça and Real in winning the La Liga in the last decade. Club Atlético Osasuna. CA Osasuna, founded in 1920, hails from the city of Pamplona and plays at the El Sadar Stadium. Los Rojillos is the club nickname, meaning the Little Reds. The name Osasuna is derived from a Basque word meaning health. Known for their spirited performances and strong home support, Osasuna has a reputation for being a tough opponent, especially on their home turf. They recently made a remarkable run all the way to the final of the Copa del Rey 2023 under manager Yagoba Arrasate, only narrowly losing to Real Madrid in a heartbreaking manner. CA Osasuna is one of the few professional football clubs in Spain still owned by its members, alongside giants like Real Madrid, FC Barcelona, and Athletic Club. Club Deportivo Leganés. Founded in 1928, CD Leganés is based in the Madrid suburb of Leganés and plays at the Butarque Stadium, which has the lowest capacity in the league with just under 12,000 seats. Known for their underdog spirit, Leganés made headlines when they were promoted to La Liga for the first time in 2016. The club is nicknamed Los Pepineros, the cucumber growers, a reference to the city's farming roots and the cucumber crops that even supplied the royal house of Spain. Their biggest rival is Getafe, with whom they contest the South Madrid derby. They will be returning to La Liga this year after 5 years, having won automatic promotion by winning the Segunda División last season. Deportivo Alavés. Deportivo Alavés, founded in 1921, is based in Vitoria-Gasteiz and plays at the Mendizorroza Stadium. The club is recognized as the third most successful team in the Basque country, following Athletic Club and Real Sociedad. Alavés was the first club to win promotion from the Segunda División to La Liga in the inaugural season of 1929-30. The club reached the Copa del Rey final in 2017, where they finished as runners-up to FC Barcelona. Their most notable achievement came in the 2001 UEFA Cup, where they reached the final but lost to Liverpool in a dramatic match that ended 5-4 after extra time. Their nicknames are El Glorioso, the glorious one, and Los Blanquiazules, the blue and whites. FC Barcelona. Founded in 1899, FC Barcelona is one of the most famous football clubs in the world. Based in Barcelona, they play at the legendary Camp Nou Stadium, though they are currently temporarily playing their home games at the Olympic Stadium due to renovations. Known for their attractive tiki-taka style of play and their La Masia Academy, which has produced stars like Lionel Messi, Andres Iniesta, and Xavi, this team is celebrated for its rich history and success. Statistically, they are the most successful team in Spain, winning 77 trophies in Spanish football with 27 La Ligas, 31 Copas del Rey, 14 Supercopas de España, and many more. In Europe, they have won 22 trophies and are the second most successful Spanish team behind Real Madrid, which includes their 5 Champions League titles and 5 UEFA Super Cups. Getafe Club de Football. Yet another Madrid-based team in this season's La Liga, Getafe CF, founded in 1983, is based in the suburb of Getafe and plays at the Coliseum Alfonso Pérez. Getafe actually started playing football in 1946 under the name Club Getafe Deportivo, but were liquidated at the end of the 1981-82 season, and a new iteration of the club was born. They gained promotion to La Liga for the first time in 2005 and have been in the top flight in all seasons since then except one. The club reached the quarterfinals of the UEFA Europa League in the 2018-19 season, marking its best performance in European competition to date. Due to its proximity with Leganés, it hosts the South Madrid derby with that club. They are still yet to win a major trophy. Girona FC. Founded in 1930, Girona FC is based in the city of Girona and plays at the Montilivi Stadium. Known for their resilience and passionate fan base, Girona FC has steadily grown in stature within Spanish football. They surprised everyone in world football last season when they surpassed all expectations set of them, climbing to the top of the La Liga table out of nowhere and challenging for the crown. They defeated many of the opponents in the top half of the table but could not sustain the title charge after the halfway point of the season. Regardless, they put up an immense fight to finish third in the table and qualify for the Champions League, both of which were a first for the Catalan club. Girona's story shows that every La Liga team has a chance to shake the league up if they take their opportunities well. And I'm hoping that their miracle run last season inspires a lot of other teams in the league to do something similar. Rayo Vallecano. Rayo Vallecano, founded in 1924, is based in the Madrid district of Vallecas and plays at the Vallecas Stadium. The club's colors are red and white, and they are often referred to as Los Franjirrojos, the red striped ones, due to their distinctive striped jerseys. Do you know what Rayo means in Spanish? It literally translates to lightning. Rayo Vallecano has spent 19 seasons in La Liga. Their fans are some of the most passionate in the league, particularly the Bucaneros, a group of supporters known for their vocal support and activism. They are recognized for their strong stance on social issues and community involvement. For example, in 2014, they helped fund a local resident's housing after she was evicted. If you want to support a Madrid-based club that is not the big two, well, sign up for Rayo. Real Club Celta de Vigo. Founded in 1923, RC Celta, also known as Celta Vigo, is based in Vigo and plays at the Balaidos Stadium. It was formed after two local clubs from Vigo, Real Vigo Sporting and Real Fortuna, merged to become Real Celta. The club's name Celta is derived from the Celts, an ancient people who once inhabited the region of Galicia. The team's colors are sky blue and white, and they are commonly known as Os Celestes, the Sky Blues. Celta de Vigo has a fierce rivalry with Deportivo La Coruña, known as the Galician Derby, but with the latter not being in La Liga, the rivalry has been missing for a while. They have never won the La Liga or Copa del Rey, but they have won one European trophy, the Intertoto Cup, in 2000. Real Club Deportivo Espanyol de Barcelona. RCD Espanyol, founded in 1900, is based in Barcelona and plays at the RCD Stadium. One of the oldest clubs in Spain, it was established by a group of Spanish students who had studied in the United Kingdom and brought back the sport of football. Espanyol's colors are blue and white, and they are often referred to as Los Periquitos, the Parakeets. Espanyol has a fierce rivalry with FC Barcelona, known as the Derby Barceloni. Matches between the two clubs are highly tense and reflect the city's divided loyalty, with Espanyol often seen as representing the more conservative and Spanish-leaning elements of Barcelona, while FC Barcelona represents the more progressive and Catalan-leaning elements. Every match always results in some drama. You must remember the time Espanyol fans stormed the pitch a few seasons ago, right? Real Club Deportivo Mallorca. RCD Mallorca, founded in 1916 as King Alfonso XIII Football Club, named after the King of Spain, is one of the two teams in La Liga that do not play on the Spanish mainland. Based in Palma on the island of Mallorca in the Balearic Islands, they currently play their home games at the Estadi Mallorca Son Moix. They are also nicknamed Los Piratas, the Pirates. They narrowly lost to Athletic Club in the Copa del Rey final last season, a trophy that they had previously won back in 2003, which is one of the only two trophies that they won in their existence alongside the Supercopa de España. Under Yagoba Arrasate, they look like a promising bunch this season and can very well have a similar Copa del Rey run like last season. Real Betis. Founded in 1907, Real Betis is based in Seville and plays at the Estadio Benito Villamarin. Known for their vibrant fan culture and attacking play, Betis is a beloved club in Spain. The name Betis is derived from Betis, the Roman name for the Guadalquivir River, which passes through Seville. Real Betis are also involved in one of the best Spanish derbies, the Seville derby against the city rival Sevilla FC. Their only La Liga title came back in 1935, while they have won the Copa del Rey on 3 different occasions. They are called Los Verdi Blancos, the green and whites, which is the color of their shirt. Real Madrid. Real Madrid, founded in 1902, is one of the most successful and globally recognized football clubs. Based in Madrid, they play at the iconic Santiago Bernabeu Stadium. Known for their all-white kits and rich history, Real Madrid has won a record number of La Liga titles, 35, and UEFA Champions League titles, 15. They are the second most successful team in Spain with 71 national trophies and the most successful Spanish team in Europe with a record 31 European titles. The club's fierce rivalry with FC Barcelona, known as El Clásico, is one of the most watched sporting events globally. They are famous for their Galacticos policy, which includes signing the biggest players in the world to play for their club. Notable Galacticos have been Luis Figo, Zinedine Zidane, Cristiano Ronaldo, Kaká, and of course, Kylian Mbappé. Real Sociedad. Founded in 1909, Real Sociedad is based in San Sebastian and plays at the Reale Arena. They are known for their youth development, which has produced many talented players including Xabi Alonso, Asier Larramendi, and Antoine Griezmann. La Real share a heated derby with Athletic Club known as the Basque Derby. Like Athletic Bilbao, La Real also had a policy of signing only Basque players before breaking it in 1989. Real Sociedad has won the La Liga Championship twice in back-to-back seasons in 1981 and 1982. They have also won the Copa del Rey thrice, including defeating Athletic Club in their most recent Copa del Rey final in 2020. Real Valladolid Club de Football. Real Valladolid, founded in 1928, is based in Valladolid and plays at the José Zorrilla Stadium. Owned by Brazilian legend Ronaldo Nazario, they gained promotion to La Liga this season after alternating between the first and second divisions since 2021, establishing themselves as a yo-yo club in Spain. Their only trophy was the short-lived Copa de la Liga, which they won by beating Atletico Madrid in 1984. They have never won the league, but reached their best Copa del Rey result as runners-up in 1989 when they were defeated by Real Madrid. Sevilla FC. Sevilla FC is based in Seville and plays at the Ramon Sanchez Pizjuan Stadium, known for their incredible record in the Europa League, winning a record 7 Europa League trophies, including a historic three-peat under Unai Emery. They have also won La Liga once and the Copa del Rey 5 times, making them the most successful club from Andalusia. Sevilla compete in the Seville derby against their cross-city rivals Real Betis in a heated and passionate matchup. Over the last decade or so, Sevilla has established itself as a major club due to finishing 4th behind the big three of Real Madrid, Barcelona, and Atletico Madrid on multiple occasions. Unión Deportivo Las Palmas. UD Las Palmas was founded in 1949 and is one of the only two sides not based on mainland Spain. The club is based in Las Palmas on the Canary Islands and plays at the Estadio de Gran Canaria. Las Palmas was formed after 5 local clubs, Real Club Victoria, Marino FC, CD Gran Canaria, Atletico Club, and Arenas Club merged in 1949 due to financial difficulties. The team's colors are yellow and blue, and they are commonly referred to as Los Amarillos, the Yellows. While they have never won a major trophy, their best results in both La Liga and the Copa del Rey have been runners-up in 1969 and 1978 respectively. The club has a regional rivalry with CD Tenerife, known as the Canary Islands Derby. Valencia Club de Football. Founded in 1919, Valencia CF is one of Spain's most prestigious clubs and plays at the iconic Mestalla Stadium in Valencia. Despite recent controversy and chaos following Peter Lim's purchase of the club, Valencia remains one of Spain's most successful clubs. Their achievements include 6 La Liga titles, 8 Copas del Rey, and 7 European trophies, including a UEFA Cup and back-to-back Champions League runners-up finishes in the early 2000s. While Valencia has been very successful and is one of the top clubs in Spain, they were nearly relegated a few seasons ago, leading to a mass protest and boycott of Valencia games to put pressure on owner Peter Lim to leave the club. Villarreal Club de Football. Villarreal CF, founded in 1923, is based in the town of Villarreal and plays at the Estadio de la Ceramica. The club's colors are yellow and they are commonly referred to as El Submarino Amarillo, the Yellow Submarine, due to their distinctive yellow kits. Villarreal has a passionate fan base in Spain and worldwide, especially due to their resilience against big teams despite their small stature. Their only major trophy in history is the UEFA Europa League in 2021, when they defeated giants Manchester United in the final on penalties. The city of Villarreal has a population that's less than the capacity of Manchester United's Old Trafford Stadium, and it is the smallest club in terms of population from a town to win a European title. They also rival Valencia, as the two have been the most competitive teams of the Valencian community, and this clash is called the Derby de la Comunidad. So there we go. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the subscribe button for more Spanish football content like this. And I will see you in the next one. Hasta luego.